In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Grammarly icon effortlessly. If you've ever found that little icon distracting while working on your documents or don't need it constantly displayed, this guide is for you. We're going to dive into the steps to quickly and easily make it disappear, all within the span of just 5 minutes. First, let's head over to the Grammarly website. Open your browser and type in www.grammarly.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on Grammarly's homepage, which is filled with helpful tools designed to enhance your writing. But today we're focusing on just modifying the visibility of the icon in your browser. Now you'll want to log into your account, so click on the login button. This will bring you to a new page where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Take a moment to type in your email address in the space provided. After entering your email, go ahead and click on the continue button. This simple action will forward you to the login page where you'll complete the sign-in process. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Grammarly dashboard. Now we want to navigate specifically to your account settings. Click on Grammarly extensions. This area is crucial because it houses the settings for how Grammarly interacts with your browser. Take a moment here to observe the different options available. Next, we need to focus on the browser settings. There's a toggle you need to disable, which manages the visibility of the Grammarly icon directly in your web browser. Simply turn this toggle off to hide the Grammarly icon. You'll notice a smoother, less cluttered browsing experience immediately. Alternatively, if you still see the Grammarly icon and prefer dealing with it directly, there's another way. Click directly on the Grammarly icon itself. This action will reveal an overlay, giving you some additional options to configure. Look for the power button symbol. It typically appears as a small icon that you'll find in this menu area. Click on the power button. Once you do that, you'll be presented with an option labeled something like Turn off Grammarly from now on. This is exactly what we're looking for, so go ahead and select this option. By doing so, you effectively disable the Grammarly icon from constantly showing up, giving you a cleaner view when working on documents or browsing the web. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you've just successfully hidden the Grammarly icon, making it a thing of the past, and can now enjoy a distraction-free workspace. If you wish to bring the icon back at any time, simply follow these steps in reverse to reactivate it. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more